launches, new brands in the market. So I have this basket with me, messily, कुछ भी आपको इसमें प्रिसाइजेशन नहीं कि कैसे बना रहे हैं इतने सस्ते प्रोडक्ट्स और I'm just gonna apply. See. हाय गाइस, आज हम करने वाले हैं रक्षाबंधन गेट रेडी विद मी, क्योंकि रक्षाबंधन कल ही है, आई थिंक कल परसों जब भी है, तो मैं फटाफट से लुक करने वाली हूँ और मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको कि मेरा कौन सा फेवरेट टाइप ऑफ लुक है जो बहुत ही फेमस है। जब मैं एक नियॉन लाइनर लगाती हूँ विद डबल विंग आईलाइनर, दैट इज़ माय फेवरेट काइंड ऑफ अ लुक, क्योंकि हम नेचुरल मेकअप को थोड़ा सा ग्लैम के साथ कंबाइन कर देते हैं। यूजुअली लोग कैसे करते हैं नेचुरल मेकअप, इज लाइक जस्ट आईलाइनर और मस्कारा और न्यूड बेस। मेरा फेवरेट टाइप ऑफ अ लुक है, सिर्फ मैं कलर चेंज कर देती हूँ, रिमेन्स द सेम। होपफुली मैं रक्षाबंधन पे भी यही लुक क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ। आई लव दीज नियॉन लाइनर्स फ्रॉम Empire Beauty. They have so many different colors, you can see. Today of course we're going to be doing pink, and I also use this one from Cuffs and Lashes. This is the neon eyeliner. जब हम बॉलिंग करने गए थे वहाँ पे सारी ब्लू लाइटिंग थी और ब्लू लाइटिंग में ये चमक रहा था, लाइक माई आईज वर लाइक शाइनिंग ब्राइटर देन माई फ्यूचर। जस्ट दैट जब इसको घुमाते हैं ये ऐसे निकलता है, विच इज़ लाइक वाइट अनोइंग, तो इसको खोलना पड़ता है, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बट इट इज़ अ रियली प्रीटी लाइनर। आई थिंक ये और कलर्स में भी अवेलेबल है। वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, वी गोना गेट स्टार्टेड विद द रक्षाबंधन लुक। फर्स्ट आई एम गोना एक्चुअली मॉइस्चराइज, क्योंकि काफ़ी देर से मेरी स्किन बहुत ड्राई फील कर रही है। मैंने बहुत देर से फेस वॉश किया हुआ है, सो आई वॉज जस्ट वेटिंग टू स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो टू लाइक, ओह माई गॉड, I feel so much better. This is going to be a quick video because I really have to rush to my dermatologist. मेरे ना पीठ पे ऐसे कुछ पिंपल भी नहीं है, वो एक ना मतलब ऐसे कुछ इनविजिबल सा कुछ है, and I'm really scared to get it checked. So today I have an appointment for look थोड़ा सा change करके जाएंगे of course. I'm also gonna apply this Etude House water tint on my lips because I look dead right now. Without any lip tint, I honestly look dead. Just gonna have some water. Alright, so today I'm actually going to be using my favorite products for like everyday basis. आज की मेरी कुछ भी preparation नहीं है actually. It's weird. So I have these 4 tints that I actually use on regular basis. This is a BB cream from Pond's. You guys must have seen this a lot on internet. Then I use this one from MAC Cosmetics. This is their Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. Very pretty, but it's not that great for oily skin. You have to set it really well. Then of course the Maybelline Fit Me when I want a little bit more of the coverage and to cover my marks. Today I'll be using this. And you can also use the Dermaco BB cream. This is a BB cream. Yes. So these are the 4 variants options that I've given you. All of them are mostly affordable except the MAC. So today I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Skin Tint. You guys, I've ordered this huge makeup parcel from Nykaa to try out like the new launches, new brands in the market. It's been a while. I'm super excited for my parcel and to record that, film that video for you guys. This is my job. I do not recommend you guys to shop this much. So what I do to blend out tint is, I know it's weird, but I love doing it. It just looks so natural and I do not use any concealer whenever I have to do like natural makeup. I did this YouTube shorts जहाँ पे I have shared my natural makeup, but shorts में इतना कुछ समझ नहीं आता, तो आज थोड़ा सा डिटेल में मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ। तो अभी हम इसको अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंड करेंगे एंड हमारी स्किन में ये एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा बहुत अच्छे से। In the shade 06, which matches me quite perfectly. I think this is the darkest shade, I'm not sure. It's the kind of a look whenever I go out, meet my friends, I usually do this. This beauty blender from ELF, this is like my favorite, and just blending any harsh lines. Also guys, I'm growing my eyebrows, so please ignore them. I really want to shape them in a different way this time. I'm really done with my eyebrow comment. Like this is the perfect base when you have to go out in like natural light. Natural light में सारा makeup दिखता है. That is the skin tint. I have given you 3 more options that you can try. Oh, by the way, yesterday I bought this Aldo ring set. This is a stack of 3 rings. Look how pretty. I love Aldo accessories. They look so pretty and they never tear off. मतलब कभी भी ख़राब नहीं होती है, काली नहीं पड़ती है. Whenever I'm doing natural makeup, I usually go ahead with my setting spray and date like after every single step because it just makes a lot of difference. So for the eyebrows, I love using the Maybelline Tattoo Ink. Tattoo Brow Styling Gel. I love this one. Like, this makes my eyebrow game strong. I don't usually know how to do my eyebrows, I'll be honest. I have been practicing a lot, but this is the best and easiest product. So if you also don't know how to do your eyebrows, just go ahead and use this and it will make some difference at least. Now for the blush. Blush is very important. For the blush, I'm using my favorite Rare Beauty. This is my favorite blush because you just have to apply one here and here, and that's it. You're done with all of it. This is in the shade Encourage. A little bit on the higher price, but absolutely worth it. Now I'm just gonna blend this out. It is very pigmented. See, I just applied one drop and look at the pigment. इस blush का best part है कि आपकी skin को dead से dewy बना देता है. It is so beautiful, and Rare Beauty is in India now, so you can get your hands on it. Even She Glam blush is my favorite. You guys know it. I have it right here. But She Glam का इतना dew नहीं है जितना Rare Beauty का है. So it's like you have been doing your skincare and your skin looks gorgeous and plump and juicy. That is what you want. Alright, next up I do not apply any highlighter on the regular days. Even if I'm going out, मैं दिन के टाइम पे बाहर निकल रही हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा highlighter नहीं apply करती हूँ. So I use this Lumi cream. I have 2-3 options for you guys. There's Max Strobe cream. We have one from Mars, Take a Glow Primer. I love that. इसमें भी बहुत अच्छी shine है. Currently I've been using this one. It's the Vitamin C Daily Lumi cream from Mamaearth. I like to apply it on the back of my hand very little bit. So itna glow enough nahi hai. So I just like to take this Lumi cream on the back of my brush very, like, you know, generously, not generously, बहुत ही like messily. कुछ भी आपको इसमें precisation नहीं चाहिए. Now your brush is a little wet from the cream and you just apply this on the high points of your cheeks. Make you glow from within because it is like very light, not too much, because we are gonna set our face anyways right now. So that is the base. Okay, the base. Now the only thing that is left is setting our face, which is like very important. Then our eyes will left. तो आप रक्षाबंधन पे ऐसा टेक्निक ये लोग ट्राई करके देखो, आपको मज़ा आएगा बहुत ज़्यादा. A lot of you guys were also asking, by the way, the MAC Studio Fix Loose Powder Pro Set Plus Blur, my favorite setting powder at the moment. Okay, so I was saying you guys were asking डॉलर कैसा है. डॉलर बहुत better है अब, और वो थोड़ा सा चल भी लेता है, बहुत एक्टिव है वो. मतलब he is like वेरी एक्टिव. और मैं उसको इतना फ्रीक्वेंटली मिलने भी नहीं जा पाती हूँ बिकॉज घर पे भी एक बेबी है एंड डॉलर इज़ ऑल्सो बेबी, बट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू टेक केयर ऑफ हिम. देयर एट द ऑफिस एंड बेबी इज़ मोस्टली एट होम. आई एम अ बुआ नाउ इन केस यू डोंट वॉच माई यूट्यूब शॉर्ट. तो अभी मैं आउटर पैरामीटर को इतना नहीं सेट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट दैट ग्लो. अभी मैं कुछ हाईलाइटर नहीं अप्लाई करूँगी, पाउडर. ओ माई गॉड, माई स्किन लुक्स सो नेचुरल एंड प्रिटी इवन इन सो मच लाइट. नेचुरल लाइट में डेफिनेटली अच्छी लगेगी. सो येस, एक और मेरे पास न्यूज़ है आपके लिए. गुगू, हम उसको प्यार से बुलाते हैं, कियारा जिसका नाम रखा था, बट उसका नेम हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा अनफॉर्चुनेटली, क्योंकि पंडित जी ने कहा है उसकी राशि का कुछ हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम. राशि चेंज हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ हर नेम. सो वी हैव टू चेंज हर नेम. और मैंने उसका नाम रखा था कियारा. आई एम सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, बट अभी हमें न्यू लेटर्स मिले हैं. अ फ्यू ऑफ देम आई रिमेंबर आर ह, न, नी, नू, ये. यस, इनमें से हमें कुछ सोच के नाम रखना पड़ेगा. लेट मी नो अगर आपके पास कोई भी आइडिया है नेम के लिए. तो आई वुड लव टू hear your thoughts on this. After that, I like to spray the setting spray. You can use any. I love the PAC makeup fixer. ये वाला भी अच्छा है, बट इसकी थोड़ी सी फ्रेगरेंस थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, बट इसका स्प्रे, इसका जो मिस्ट है वो बहुत फाइन है. सो आई लव यूजिंग दिस वन. ऑल्सो गाइज, आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू गाइज अ डिस्क्लेमर कि अगर आपके ब्लेमिशेस ज़्यादा हैं या डार्क सर्कल्स ज़्यादा हैं तो आप कंसीलर भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो इसके ऊपर, बिल्कुल हल्का सा 3 डॉट्स के साथ, एंड जस्ट ब्लेंड इट आउट एंड यू गुड टू गो. और आप बीबी क्रीम की जगह पे फाउंडेशन भी यूज़ कर सकते हो फॉर मोर कवरेज. थोड़ा सा लाइट वेट फाउंडेशन यूज़ करो. बाय द वे, माई नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर आई एम डूइंग माई मेकअप विदाउट the camera, so I always go ahead with the lipstick first. I have been obsessed with this Mars lip liners, the Edge of Desire, and अभी तक मैं शॉक्ड हूँ कि कैसे बना रहे हैं इतने सस्ते प्रोडक्ट्स और इतने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स. इसका शेड है 08 Nude Spell. and I'm quickly going to line my lips. Look how pretty this shade is and how pigmented these liners are. Forget K-Beauty, forget Nykaa, even forget any higher end brands. These liners are amazing. Even the Swiss Beauty liners I really like, but ऐसे ना मुझे कोई ऐसे न्यूड सा शेड इतना पसंद नहीं आया. This has good nude shades. Now I'm gonna use my tint again in the center of my lips because I love that look. Also, it stays for a longer period of time. This already looks so pretty. Now is the time for the main step, which is going to be the liner. I'm going to be using the pink one. Now the trick to apply these liners, I haven't really shared it ever with you guys. We need a very thin brush first. We use very thin brush and take out a little bit in the cap. You have to be very careful, otherwise सारा खराब हो जाएगा. मतलब आसपास का environment खराब हो सकता है. See how much I've taken. ये भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही है. Now you can take water because these are water activated pigments. You can use water or your setting spray. I'm just gonna use my setting spray because I don't have water right now. So I'm just gonna apply. See, this is, so I'm gonna apply some setting spray over this. Now it's activated and just mix it nicely, and now you have your own liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply the liner we usually, but look at these pigments, they are so beautiful. Oh my god, in the dark they just shine so bright. See, I've just applied it the way we apply our normal winged eyeliner, and it just looks different than usual. It does not look like, you know, everyday colored eyeliner. It's just different because it's neon. But when people also gives very, you know, different looks when they see, oh my god, what are you wearing on your eyes? It's so pretty. I love these pigments. The pigments from Voho Beauty are also very beautiful. I've tried those, but I have them in the pastel shades. These are more on the neon brighter side. So I might just call this my signature makeup look because eyeliners like these, this is like my jam. So Raksha Bandhan pe most probably I'm gonna be doing this look. Usually takes me like 10 to 15 minutes क्योंकि आज मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ, बात कर रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. Now we just have to wait for this to dry a little bit, but this already looks so beautiful. But this is the main step. The next step is the main step that I'm going to be doing, which is a black eyeliner. And to, you know, give that dimension to this liner, black से ये थोड़ा और ज़्यादा define लगता है और pink और भी ज़्यादा bright लगता है. You know, this is just what we do. We did this in school. जब भी हम कोई drawing करते थे, we used to outline the lines with the black sketch to make the colors more bright. This is the same thing that we used to do in the school. So I'm quickly going to apply the black liner. I need my mirror for this. So you have to like practice a lot for this look. Since I've done a lot of different shades, I've done orange, neon, I think maybe I've done blue also. I did that in Goa. Goa में तो ये वाले look बहुत pretty लगेंगे बीच पे. Try करो. And by the way, none of these products are sponsored, you guys. I genuinely use them, and see how easy that is. When you practice it, you will learn. This is super easy. Just like you apply your eyeliner, you just have to do it 2 times. And I love this liner, tattoo liner from Maybelline. It is super jet black. And then on the other eye. Right, so that is the liner all complete. You can see it just oh my god, this is like something that I can never be bored of. I love this look already. अभी हमारा मस्कारा भी पड़ा है थोड़ा सा और लिपस्टिक भी पड़ी है. You can see this liner, it just makes a lot of difference. It just lifts up your face even if you haven't put on foundation or concealer. It is just really pretty. So जब भी मैं शॉर्ट्स में ये मस्कारा यूज़ करती हूँ, I do get a lot of questions कि कौन सा मस्कारा है, and unfortunately इसका ना मुझे YouTube पे नहीं मिलता है लिंक प्रोडक्ट का. तो ये है मस्कारा from Ferrucci, and this is a high-end mascara. Mostly makeup artists use it for their brides. So this is like really pretty for any event because ये waterproof है और ये बिल्कुल भी लीक नहीं करता. Even if you cry, you laugh out tears or any of those things, it is not gonna budge until and unless you are removing it. Also, it applies really beautifully. It just makes your lashes look like false lashes. क्योंकि अभी मैंने बहुत bold eyeliner अप्लाई किया हुआ है तो मे बी हो सकता है कि आपको ना दिखाई दे. Oops. बस ये neon pigments का ना यही है, they are very messy. You have to be very careful and you have to like practice while using. Go everywhere. You have to keep a wet wipe in handy for any mistakes. इसीलिए इनको थोड़ा carefully यूज़ करना होता है because they are like very messy. Let's just continue applying the mascara. तो क्योंकि अभी बहुत bold eyeliner लगा रखा है तो mascara हो सकता है ना दिखाई दे, but ये बहुत pretty है mascara. So in case you're not doing any recreation, मतलब आप ये recreate नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप डेफिनेटली मस्कारा को हैवीली पुट कर सकते हो ऑन योर न्यूड बेस. इट ऑल्सो लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी बट दैट इज़ लाइक वेरी कॉमन एंड दिस लुक इज़ वेरी अनकॉमन, सो इट इज़ अप टू योर चॉइस. But I would love if you recreate this look. I want you guys to tag me on Instagram. I can't stop looking at my eyes. I've been loving this one from Tipsy Beauty. This is their bullet lipstick in the shade Caramel. I also posted a few stories on my Instagram for this. The shade Nude Mocha from Kiro. Love this again. See, अभी भी पता नहीं कहाँ से लग रहा है ये neon pigment. This is the only drawback. Then the shade Debut from K Beauty. Today I will apply the Tipsy Beauty Caramel shade. Look how pretty this shade is. Yes, so this is the look. I will be back with some more accessories on and maybe a bindi because it's an Indo-Western Indian look. Lastly, just spray your face with this setting spray. Just cover your eyes because these are like water activated liners. They could spread and that is it. I'll be back with some accessories. You guys, this is the final look. I added some karas. Look how pretty these are. I'll try to share link of all of these products below. And then I have these earrings. ये तो मैंने starting में पहन रखा था और छोटी सी बिंदी भी लगाई है. And that is it. I hope you guys really like this look. If you guys enjoyed this look, then please subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me and this will help my channel to grow more because we are stuck at one number and we want to reach at least 1 million this year. So if you guys really liked it and want to see more of such videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below and I will see you next time. Bye.